Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing all makeup and cleansing thoroughly so the diamond tips can work on fresh skin. Once done, perform a patch test on your jawline and wait 10 minutes to check sensitivity. This prevents irritation. Make sure to steam your face or apply a warm towel for 5 to 8 minutes to open pores, because open pores allow smoother exfoliation. Then assemble the kit, choose a small tip, and set the machine to the lowest intensity for your first pass. You now move through your face section by section, starting with the forehead, then cheeks, nose, and chin, because systematic work prevents missed spots. Once you're on an area, use steady slow strokes, no more than 2 seconds per spot, to allow the diamond tip to abrade dead skin evenly. Make 3 to 5 gentle passes where needed and increase intensity only if no redness appears. Also swap to a larger tip for broader areas and a smaller tip around the... You finish by rinsing with cool water to close pores and then apply a calming serum followed by moisturizer. If it's daytime, add SPF 30 or higher because exfoliated skin is sun sensitive. Once done, avoid strong acids or retinoids for 48 hours to let the barrier recover. If you see excessive redness, burning, or any bleeding, stop immediately. Apply a cold compress and a bland ointment, and contact a professional if symptoms persist. This troubleshooting step prevents infection and long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.